after your education. When it comes to the work or earnings, then there are only 3 choices for you to choose from. 1. Start your own business, if you have money to invest. 2. Get a job, but if you do not have much money to invest for business, then your 3rd choice might be get a job, then save some money and then start a business. Personally, we recommend business over job. That's why today we are going to give you reasons why your own business is better than job. Now let's compare these 2 options for living. So below is the job versus business comparison. 1. Most importantly, there is no limit on money, as everyone knows that people work only for money. In job there is a limit to it, but in business there is no limit. Everyone wants limitless money, don't you? If you have a job, then there you will get a fixed monthly salary for your work, which may be increased with unnoticeable amount after a year or 2. But when it comes to your own business, then there is no limit for money to come in. You can get as much profit as you want. With your hard work you may earn 10 times more than a salaried person. 2. There are no time restrictions in business. If you have your own business, then there are no time restrictions for you. While in a job you have to fix yourself in the fixed time interval set by your employer, usually that is of 8 hours. But in your own business there are no restrictions for you. You can work less or you can even work more to make more profits. So, this is one of the important reasons why own business is better than job. 3. Be your own boss. In your own business you have your own rules and don't have to wait for a yes from the boss to implement a new idea. In job sometimes you can't even provide benefit to your boss in some certain conditions. But in your own business you can go beyond the limits and rules to make your business successful. Another dark side of the job is that you have to answer every question asked by your boss. But in business, as you are your own boss, then there is no one who can ask you anything. 4. You do not have to retire. In job you have to retire from your work after time decided by the company. If you have a job, then what will be the source of your income after your retirement? That is the point to think about. But in business you don't have to think about these types of things, because in your own business it's up to you if you want to retire or not. So this is also an important reason why own business is better than job. 5. You can make your own identity. When you have your own business, then you have your own identity, which makes you different from other employees. For example, when you tell anyone that you have your own business, then it makes a good impression of you on others. But the salaried person fails to have that opportunity until he or she starts their own business. 6. You will never have to wait for holidays. This is another important reason among why business is better than job. In job you have to wait for holidays or weekends to get a break from work burden. But in business you do not have to wait for holidays. You can go on vacations anytime you want. 7. You will get your goals. Reasons why own business is better than job. In business you will learn new things of different types. In business you have to look over every department of the company. You have more than one responsibilities, which makes you more active than others. As a businessman you will meet other ambitious people in the world, which makes you more ambitious, that help you in achieving your goals. 8. You will learn how to run a team. In business you will also learn how to run a team to get the best results for you. You will also learn how to satisfy clients to make them work with you permanently. Teamwork is key to success in business, and that too you can learn from business. Know the best about reasons why own business is better than job. So, these are some reasons describing you why own business is better than having a job. We have discussed that in business you are your own boss, there are your own rules, there will be no one to ask questions, you can be know all over the world with the power of your brand. But importantly, business requires some investment and experience too. So we recommend you that get a job after your education, for a couple of years, then save money for business and get experience, which will help in making your own business successful later.